Hey, Eric Sider here, and in this video I'm going to be installing a self-cleaning chicken waterer. The one I currently am using, which is self-filling, still is getting pretty dirty and mucky. I'm trying to make this system as low maintenance and easy to manage as possible. All right, let's see what the current setup is and what we're going to do about it. So this was the first version, which worked perfectly fine, but it gets all mucky and dirty in the tray there and pretty much need to dump it out or clean it every day. And this being 5 gallons gets pretty heavy, and the whole idea is that someone doesn't need to come into the chicken run daily. This one got nixed, and this is the latest automatic pet waterer, and you can see it's plenty mucky and dirty, and that needs to get cleaned out every other day at least. It's a lot of just dirt from the beaks, and it just becomes a bit of a mess to clean out. Now, of course, you can do the little nipple waterers, which plenty of people like, or the little cups. After watching the chickens, you can see they like dipping their beaks in some water to help clean it, so the nipple waterers is never something I cared to use, and the little cups are better, but again, you're gonna have to go around and clean out the cups as well. So that brings me to the solution of the day. So this is the solution. This is a 40-gallon stock tank, and basically what I'm gonna do is half of it's gonna be sticking into the chicken run and half will stay outside with all the plants. And there's a mosquito fish in there, so we don't have to worry about mosquito problems. We got snails and other microcrustaceans cleaning the water, and all the debris and stuff from the chickens will just go and get consumed by the ecosystem and the plants. And I will hopefully can add the float valve from the other waterer to this, so it'll be self-filling, self-cleaning, low maintenance, and better quality water for the chickies anyway. Here we go. We got the stock tank in place. We got a welded wire modified to keep the chickens on their side, and the float valve from the other water fit perfectly in the overflow hole that was already in here, so awesome. And I already checked that, so that's working well. So we got some water plantain and some bulrush in here at the moment. Definitely be adding some azolla and a few other plants. Basically, you need about 50% of the surface area dedicated to plants, and they will self-filter, cleaning up the water and the muck that the chickens add on their side. Obviously, it's a bit high. The chickens won't be able to get to the water from the ground level, so I'll probably raise that up a bit and then see how much more, if I need a second level for them. Potentially they might just perch on the lid and drink for themselves. Going to fix up the plants a bit, fill up the water, and we'll be back. All right, there we have it. The self-cleaning, but also self-feeding chicken waterer. As the azolla comes to this side, they just eat it. So they get a treat and water. So you could, if you had the space and a big enough pond area, you could fill that puppy up with azolla, and then periodically chickens would just eat it, thin it out, and whatever comes through the fence section. So I ended up doing this little raised platform so they can access the water from standing, but they've also been perching right on the rim of the stock tank. So far, looks like it's been a success. All right, there we go. Self-cleaning and self-feeding chicken waterer. Definitely give it a go if you want to have a new way to water your chickens. And as always, if you're in need of permaculture consultation and design, or permaculture themed t-shirts, links for all that will be below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time.